Hello, welcome to Pragmatic Training. Web Applications Performance Testing with Apache JMeter. In this short video, I'll show you how to install Plugin Manager and a few associated plugins. JMeter is highly extensible. You can create your own plugins or install available plugins and extend the functionality available with JMeter. I have started my JMeter. What you have to do is go to your open your web browser and search for JMeter plugins. And you should get your plugins from jmeter-plugins.org. And first thing you have to do is install the plugin manager. Click on this. What you have to do is download the plugin manager jar file and move it into libext directory within your JMeter installation directory. Once it is done, you have to restart it. So let me download the jar file. And it's being downloaded. Will take a couple of seconds. Once the download is done, you have to copy the jar file into libext folder. Let me move to my command window, open a new tab, Control T. Let me check where I am. Right, CP. It is in the downloads, plugins, plugin manager into libext directory extensions, right? Once it is there, you can go to libext and ls. The plugin manager is there. So if there is any extensions, like for example, JDBC drivers will be copied to this folder when you want to connect databases. So we will cover that in a separate video. This time let me close and start JMeter again. It's important to restart JMeter once the plugin is installed. That means copying into the folder. Once you install the plugin manager, you get this icon. Also in the options menu, you get the plugin manager. So there are two ways to access the plugin manager. Click on this and all installed plugins are here. If you go to the directory, and all these are coming from here. Functions, FTP, Java, and all those things. These ones are coming from here. And the available plugins are here. Say for example, if I want additional threads, custom threads, and once it is done, apply and changes and restart plugins. So you can see it is being downloaded. Once the download is done, JMeter will restart automatically and new plugins will be available for you. So let me show you the new plugins available to you. Right click here in the test plans, add thread group, and you can see few additional threads groups available, arrival, ultimate thread groups like this. So likewise you can have new functionalities available for you. So this is a useful feature. You can extend JMeter feature by installing additional plugins. If you browse the site, then also you can get documentations available. Usually you cannot get click help icon and go into the help menu, unlike the default components. You need to go to the website and access the documentations. Hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.